Hello, and welcome to another episode of Atlanta Capital Cooking. My name's Eric, and today we'll be making coconut black bean brownies. Real good recipe for an idea after a big meal. It's gluten free and can be easily made vegan by substituting the eggs with flax eggs. So we'll go through the steps, show you how it's done. Let's get started. There's the finished product. Quick look at the ingredients. There's quite a few, so I'll go ahead and list them. We've got one 14-ounce can of black beans, drained and rinsed. We've got a half cup of cocoa, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of espresso, instant espresso, half of a cup of cane sugar, 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of almond milk. We've got 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1/3 cup shredded unsweetened coconut, and 1/3 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Okay, you're going to need your food processor or blender. We've got our 1 can of black beans added, 2 eggs, our cane sugar, our wet ingredients, almond milk and espresso powder, the coconut oil, and the cocoa powder. Everything goes in except the 1/3 cup of shredded unsweetened coconut and the 1/3 cup of semi-sweet chocolate. And we'll blend all the ingredients until smooth. All the ingredients are pretty much smooth at this point, but you still want to stop halfway through and scrape the sides of the blender down just to make sure everything's well incorporated and the texture is smooth. Next, we got a round cake pan with parchment lined for the baking. And we'll add our batter to the pan. Once you got the batter in the cake pan, give it a few taps just to make sure you don't have any air bubbles. And then the next step, we'll add our semi-sweet chocolate chips to the top of the brownies, and then the coconut on top of that. Start your oven preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The brownies will cook in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes until the batter is set. And once the brownies are done, they need to cool in the pan for about 20 to 30 minutes before they can be removed and sliced. Our cook time on the brownies took right at 30 minutes at 350 degrees to cook. The center was set nicely. Then we removed them from the oven and let cool in the pan for about 20 to 30 minutes. If you like the content, please subscribe. If you like the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.